Hello guys, and welcome to Matt's Beamer. Many of you have been asking me, why is my knob shaking? Yes, many manual F20 F21 owners and BMW owners in general ask why their gearbox is shaking, the gear stick is shaking, sorry. There are many reasons why your gear stick may start shaking, and you just need to work out when it is shaking. Is it shaking when you are sat in neutral, in other words not in gear, or is it and does it shake when your clutch is down? The other time it might start vibrating is when you're pulling away, putting your foot down, accelerating up the rev range. If it vibrates more and more the faster you go, that's a different issue. But remember, if you have a BMW, a rear-wheel drive BMW, a proper BMW, your gear stick is connected directly above the gearbox, and you're bound to have some vibrations from the gearbox itself. If you have a front-wheel drive car, your engine's in the front facing this way, and your gearbox is usually connected in the engine bay as well. That means that the gearbox is over there, your gear stick is over here, and you have some linkages to connect the two together, and those linkages dampen the vibrations. Okay? If you are set in neutral, or if you have your foot in the clutch and it starts vibrating, it means there may be an issue with your engine mounts or your transmission mounts, or some people like calling them the silent blocks. Basically what they do is stop the vibrations from the engine or the gearbox vibrating the chassis and vice versa. So if your gear stick starts vibrating more the quicker you go, it is probably more serious. It could be the clutch or the gearbox. You might have some worn gearbox bearings, which will obviously make other parts of the gearbox shake. Or it could be the clutch is not aligned, or something in the gearbox just isn't lining up properly. Will obviously make it vibrate more. Anyway, I know this isn't the most helpful video, but it's a video that might help you rest your mind or give you an idea. But if your gear stick vibrates the quicker you go or the higher rev range you get, it's best to take it to a proper workshop who understands gearboxes. If you have an automatic car, which obviously you don't if you're watching this video, you need to take it to an automatic specialist, because automatics are a nightmare. Manuals are much easier to repair and to troubleshoot. If you know of any other reasons why your gear stick vibrates in the car, please message down below and tell us why yours was vibrating. Thank you and take care. Goodbye.